have to get wet today.
I'm hoping to hide behind the camera today.
Yeah, so I don't know what kind of beach activities that we have planned today, but we came prepared to get wet.
Okay, well, we'll see.
Ready for that one, but I'm a team player, so we're gonna make it happen.
Go, Chrissy, go! Jesus! Jeremy!
Yeah, update. It's 9 a.m. in the morning. This water's
9 a.m. in the morning?
Yeah, it's a little 9 a.m. in the morning. A little cold for the morning.
How are you feeling this morning, girl?
Pretty fucking amazing. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling pretty fucking amazing.
Love that. I love that. That is some excellent balance technique.
Thank you. Happy beach day, Eileen.
You like your garden?
Okay.
Yeah. Dad's Olympian too.
Okay. Realize where we are and the kind of opportunity we have, not just with, real estate and OCG, but just in life. Most of us are not from here.